Hello, my name is Keshwani. In these clips that I've been putting together on the YouTube, you will find solutions to math problems that appear in the official SAT study guide. In the official SAT study guide, it has 8 exams. Each exam has 3 math sections, and I've been putting together DVDs to solutions to all the problem in a given section. So altogether there are 24 sections that you can buy the DVDs for. In this particular clip, I'll show you the solution to exam number 3 that appears, exam number 3, section number 2, problem 521, problem number 11. Alright? And there's same notation on the top here. If after watching the clip you would like to send me comments, or if you would like to purchase the DVD for this particular section, or for that matter any section in the book, just write me an email telling me the exam and the section number, and I will take care of that. Also, if you don't have this book and if you wish to purchase this from me, send me an email or you can buy it yourself. Let's get going. You have to have the book with you, otherwise you will not follow it. Number 11. I'm going to read the problem to you. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Senai, I believe, customized her bicycle by exchanging the front wheel that had 1/2 the diameter of the back wheel. Now when she rides the bicycle, how many revolutions does the front wheel make for each of the revolution the back one does? Well, the back one, let's draw a back wheel. And let's pretend that the radius is 4 meter. 4 meter, 4 yard, doesn't matter. 4 feet, doesn't matter. I'm just making up a number, do you understand? So what would be the circumference of this guy? Circumference of this guy would be 2 pi r, looks like 8 pi meters. Now what she has done is she has customized her bicycle, and the front wheel is smaller. Front wheel apparently has 1/2 the diameter. Not 1.5 times, not 1.5 times, 1/2. Or if you like, half. Has 2 meters. The circumference of this guy would be 2 pi r. And here is your 2 pi r. No need to write all of this thing. I don't need it. As you can see, if you compare the two, you can see right away the circumference of this thing is twice as much as circumference of this one. So if she's traveling the same amount of distance, let's say 1 mile, in the 1 mile, however many revolutions that this tire is going to make, this tire will have to make twice as many revolutions. It's going to make twice as many revolutions because it has half as much circumference. It has half as much circumference, so for a given distance, it's going to have to rotate twice as many times. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. Answer is C. That's all. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. As I said, get hold of me if you wish to. And of course, this was a simple problem. This was number 11. But of course, if you have trouble with any of the hard questions, which I suspect that you will at one time or the other, problem number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, one of those 5 questions in these 8 sections. And when I say 8 sections, because this section with 20 multiple choice questions appears once in each exam. There are 3 math sections. One section has 20 multiple choice questions. One section contains 20 multiple choice questions. Other sections contains 8 multiple choice questions and 10 grading questions. And finally, one more section that contains 16 multiple choice questions. I have only been working on these sections, and I'm going to put 10 questions for each exam. So by the time I finish with all 8 exams, there will be 80 clips. And then if I have the time, and depending on how things go and so forth and what kind of response I get, I might put in some grade-in questions, because I know that people have trouble with the hard grade-ins. The last 4 grade-in of each of the exams are pretty nasty. But then again, if I don't put the clips on the YouTube, then of course the idea is very simple. You buy the DVD for that particular section, and it will contain the solution to all the problems in that section. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you, since this is question number 11, exam number 3, I guess I'll see you in exam number 4, question number 20. Alright? Okay, bye-bye. You will see it's exam number 4. Well, I'll see you then, okay? Very good. You will see that it's exam number 4 because I'll be wearing a different sweater. I have a different sweater for exam 4. So I'll see you then.